Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And I've got a brake light that's out. It's on the driver's side, and today I'm going to go ahead and show you how I replace that bulb. So the first step in the process is to remove the whole rear lens. And what you do is remove these little black screws. And once those screws are removed, you can remove this panel, and it gains access to the lens. Now you need to remove the lens. So you take a large Phillips head screwdriver, and there's two screws to remove. One at the top and one at the bottom. And here are the brake bulbs that I purchased. I just grabbed a pack of 2. So you pull one out and insert it into the assembly here and screw this back in so it's locked in like that. It'll snap in there and you're ready to put the lens back on the car. Next, you basically do things in reverse order. You put the lens in. It's got a little slide insert on the left and 2 screws that you tighten back up, top and bottom. Careful not to cross thread it. Once it's in, just pull on the lens, make sure it's snug. And then you put this black cover over right here. Kind of snaps into place. And then you take your black plastic screws and basically snap them back in. Same down here, except that this is actually broken, but same thing. And make sure it's snug and give it a test. And I've got this AMSOIL Glass Cleaner. It's a great product. It's professional strength. I'm going to just, while I'm out here, I'm just going to put it on my lens and wipe it off with a cloth. And that way it's nice and clean and easy to see. So to get some AMSOIL Glass Cleaner of your own, click the link in the description below. And when you do that, you get the option of becoming a preferred customer, which is $20 a year or $10 for 6 months, and it'll get you up to 25% off the products. And I will become your AMSOIL dealer, and I can answer any questions you have about AMSOIL products. Thanks for watching.